So many jokes, so little time.
A panoramic could be messy.
Wank.
Wank.
Never gonna quit, never gonna stop. In my own world, living on top. I make the rules, don't play the game.
Hello, guten Tag, welcome to our little spiffy, super mega little alpine YouTube channel. A channel of dogs on cable cars. How cute is that?
And we're in Bavaria. Right, we'll just leave it there.
Right, I'm a bit disappointed really because
Why?
well, I asked you what we're doing today and you said we're going to Wank.
Well, we are.
Yeah, but I've had a wash, I've done my hair, I've put deodorant on, and I thought when you said we were going to go to Wank, I weren't expecting this, and it's my birthday in 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's because it's pronounced with a V, love. Wank.
I'ma keep doing my thing, don't care what you think. I'ma keep living off beat, that's just how I be.
So we are on our way up to Wank Mountain.
Wank with a V. So we're vanking our way up to the top on this lovely cable car, which is a massive cost of
€29 each, plus 7 for the dog. That's up and down. You can get it cheaper if you want to walk.
It is always best if you are in Wank to go up and down, not side to side, because that would chafe.
We're parked at the bottom of Wank Mountain in Wank Camp.
By the Wank house.
And that has cost us €29, including 6 of that as tourist tax. So it's a dear do.
But no doubt it'll be worth it because at the top we'll be able to get some splendid blurry landscape photography.
Never gonna quit, never gonna stop.
And this is the halfway point. Middle station.
Middle Wank. Wank.
I live my life my way. I'ma keep doing my things, don't care what you think. I'ma keep living off beat, that's just how I be. I'ma keep bringing that heat, that fire, you'll see. I'ma keep doing my, keep doing my.
I always like the little first aid ones. They're cute. Well, this is just amazing. I can't even count the number of mountain tops we can see.
It's alright.
It's more than alright. It's beautiful.
Ain't no bringing me down, down. Just look at me now, just look at me now. I'ma keep doing my thing, don't care what you think. I'ma keep living off beat, that's just how I be. I'ma keep bringing that heat.
So in front of us there is Germany's highest mountain, the Zugspitze, just in cloud. Unfortunately, the cable car isn't working at the moment. You can go up by cog train, but that just seems a waste of a beautiful cable car. We'll save that for another time.
Keep doing my thing, like this, like this, like this. I'm doing my thing, like that, like that, like that. I'm doing my thing, watch this, watch this, watch this. I'm doing my thing, like that, like that, like that. Hey, I'ma keep doing my thing. I'ma keep doing my thing, don't care what you think. I'ma keep living off beat, that's just how I be. I'ma keep bringing that heat, that fire, you'll see. I'ma keep doing my, keep doing my thing. Keep doing my thing. I'ma keep doing my thing.
Only halfway. Sorry, bud. You can't go out. Well, after all that excitement yesterday, we need a bit of a quiet space.
24 hours in,
Wank.
yes, so much time that I woke up this morning and I can't see. I've had to wear my glasses. It's overload.
We are off to find a quieter spot, hopefully by a little lake if there's room for us, so that Bud can just enjoy a bit of R&R on the beach.
It was so exciting yesterday, all this time at
Wank.
that I wore a pair of gloves, boxing gloves, to bed last night. How much was the 24 hours in?
€29 in Wank.
And
And the cable car was €65, and we had a little Bruiner cake at the top, which was about 13, I think.
so it's quite an expensive day out, so be prepared to go to the Wank Bank.
Why do I see you when your eyes can't see me back? And why have you been fighting what's here between us? You're not gonna find our story in your past. All I know is what I don't. Maybe it's easier to reach for you than it is to fall down in someone new. And maybe I've been fighting to disprove the truth, that it's more about winning your love than it is about you. Yeah, I may want you right now, but I'm not gonna let you in, 'cause you're just gonna let me down. Why do you lose yourself to me if you don't wanna be found?
Well, as you can see, we didn't end up at a lake last night.
No, we went to a few park-ups and we were foiled for the first time ever in the last 30-odd thousand miles, nearly 3 years, because our card wasn't accepted at an automated pay bollard. And then we went to a second one, obviously run by the same company, same installation, wouldn't accept it, and we didn't have €20 cash, so we found another park-up, which was free.
Official ones, so the Stellplatz in Germany, are widespread. Some you pay for, some you don't, but they are very clear on the rules, so no camping, and it even has specifics about no tables and chairs. This one we're at tonight also said for one night only, so it's good. It makes the rules fair and square.
Parking, not camping.
And this is where we leave you, in this beautiful Bavarian countryside. And next time, where we're going, Andrew?
Well, now we have left Wank, we are going somewhere even better, smaller, cuter and more expensive.
So we'll see you in one of the richest countries in the world.
Thank you for watching. Thanks for having the bants. Get us on Insta bants, get us on Face bants if you want live bants. Thank you very much.
It's like my birthday.